Hi, my name's Nate with Horner Lighting, and today we're going to talk about our sports lighting fixture. Available in 3 different sizes, up to 135 lumens, our sports light will not only enhance current playing field lighting, but will also decrease energy usage, creating a higher return on investment. Also used for spot lighting, this is a great fixture that can provide enhanced illumination from a safe distance. These fixtures come standard in either 320, 600, or 1000 watts. Our 320 watt fixture has an output of 48,000 lumens, our 600 watt at 87,000 lumens, and our 1000 watt at 135,000 lumens. A 25-degree optical lens comes standard on the 320 and 600 watt fixture, and a 20-degree lens is standard for the 1000 watt fixture. Optional lenses for a wider distribution are available for all 3 models upon request. Other options include a splice box that mounts on the side of the fixture to make your connection. We also have a light visor to minimize light pollution and overspill. For easy installation, these fixtures come standard with a universal mounting bracket that can be tilted up to 90 degrees in either direction, then locked in place. Our other mounting option is a slip fitter, which can be used for a wall or square pole. These fixtures are available in 2 different voltage options, 120 to 277 or 480 volt. All are IP65 rated, protected from water and dust. They have an operating temperature down to -40 degrees Celsius and up to 50 degrees Celsius. Both come standard with 0 to 10 volt dimming and a color temperature of 5000 K and 70 CRI. And at 150 lumens per watt, you'll be sure to save on energy costs. All of our fixtures come with the manufacturer's 5-year warranty. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hornerlighting.com. Thanks.